Hey, I'm Adam Short, and if you missed my video from a couple of days ago, I gave you a comprehensive overview of what I call the ultimate lifestyle business model. I also gave you a special report that dives more deeply into the model and explains how it works step by step. Now, don't worry if you weren't able to download the report, you'll have another chance to download it today, along with an additional free gift I'll be talking about in just a minute. So, just to recap, what we're talking about here is a precise formula for launching online income streams that are quick and easy to set up, earn up to 5 figures per month each, and generate income 24/7 on autopilot for years with little to no ongoing work. And the beauty is that you can set up as many of these income streams as you want. So when you know how to do this, you get to decide how much money you make, not someone else. I've launched dozens of these income streams myself, some of which earn up to $25,000 per month, and I've been doing so for many years. And my business takes maybe 5 to 10 hours per month on average to maintain. So if you want a business that makes great money, but also frees up a huge amount of your time and gives you real stability and security well into the future, this is the formula you want to be following. So what I have for you today is a detailed mind map that shows you each of the moving parts of this formula and how they fit together so that you can get a clear visual picture of how this works. It also reveals a path on going from 0 to 5 figures per month with this system, and it contains the next steps you'll need to take to get started. So all you need to do right now is enter your email address below and click the button, and you'll be directed to a download page where you'll get immediate access to the mind map as well as the special report I released a few days ago. You'll also be added to the $5,000 cash prize draw, and you'll get an email from me confirming all of that. So make sure that you find that email, check your spam box if you don't see it in your inbox, because that email will ensure that you're in the prize draw. It's how I'll be able to notify you if you're the winner and get you additional exciting updates over the next few days. So all you need to do right now is enter your email, click the button, and I'll see you on the other side.
Niche Profit Fast Track is a 60-day live training program where we'll be training students on how to create and launch their own profitable passive income website. What sets this program apart from our prior programs is the level of hands-on training and coaching we'll be offering. At the beginning of the program, students will be provided with a selection of 12 high-quality ready-made niche businesses, each of which contain all the content needed to launch a profitable passive income website. They will have the option of building their site, using one of the ready-made businesses, or choosing their own niche, and building their site from scratch. We'll then kick off a live, 60-day training bootcamp where we'll guide students step by step through the process of launching their website, building their organic traffic, and monetizing their website. We'll be guaranteeing our students that if they implement the steps in the program, they will have a profitable website up and running within a few months. Any student who has followed the steps, and is for some reason not seeing results, will be paired up with one of our mentors who will work with the student personally, until their site is profitable. We think this success guarantee will be a huge draw for customers during the launch. The Niche Profit Fast Track program doesn't conclude at the end of 60 days. For a full year from the start of the program, students will be able to unlock a new niche business each month, and continue to take advantage of the coaching available in the private forum. We'll also continue to host live Q&A and hot seat sessions every single week. With the full 12 months of training and coaching, we can help students launch not just one, but multiple niche websites, and fully scale those sites to their maximum earning potential. Join now. You will also be offering to join our Niche Profit Inner Circle inside the member area. This is a private training and coaching program that we've been running for several years, and has been a huge hit with customers. It features a video training course, a Facebook coaching group, and bi-monthly training webinars where we continuously share valuable profit-enhancing information.